Today we're taking you deep into one of the most exciting comebacks in the car world, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. A name that once stood for elegance and European flair, is now reborn with a modern twist, this time with electric power under the hood. It's not just a nod to the past, it's a bold statement for the future of personal driving. From the front, the new Karmann Ghia is instantly recognizable. Volkswagen has done an incredible job of capturing the soul of the original, while wrapping it in sleek modern lines. The rounded front end is smooth and aerodynamic, a callback to the original's curves, but now sculpted for airflow. The headlights are elegantly oval-shaped with full LED technology and integrated daytime running lights that form a soft arc. There's no traditional grille as you'd expect with an electric vehicle, but a subtle pattern just beneath the front. Badge gives it texture and depth. The VW emblem sits proudly at the center, hinting at the vehicle's classic roots. Along the sides, you get a real sense of the Ghia's Coupe DNA. The roofline is gracefully curved, starting low at the windshield, and tapering perfectly into the rear end. The windows are narrow and elongated, framed in chrome just like the original. Door handles are flush-mounted for a clean look, and the fenders flare ever so slightly to accommodate modern wheels, which come in 18 to 20-inch sizes depending on the trim. Everything about the side profile feels elegant, with just enough sportiness to make it stand out in the EV crowd. The rear of the 2026 Karmann Ghia is where things get emotional. Volkswagen has beautifully reinterpreted the sloping back and signature rear haunches of the classic model. The taillights mimic the teardrop shape, now enhanced with sleek OLED elements that animate as you lock and unlock the car. There's no exhaust system. Being electric, it doesn't need one. But there is a tasteful faux diffuser and a hidden charging port integrated into the rear quarter panel. The overall design is clean, intentional, and instantly nostalgic without feeling dated. Step inside, and the retro-modern theme continues. The interior is a minimalist's dream, but it doesn't feel empty or overly digital. The dash is a wide horizontal panel with a floating digital gauge cluster and a large central infotainment touchscreen. The user interface is intuitive and crisp, offering wireless connectivity, navigation, climate control, and heritage-themed display options that make the digital layout feel warm and familiar. The materials are a big win here. Soft leather-like surfaces, brushed aluminum trim, and even some wood veneer options to match the vintage aesthetic. The steering wheel is a two-spoke design, paying tribute to the past while incorporating modern touch controls. Seating is low and cozy, with ribbed upholstery that echoes the original Ghia's pattern. Heated and ventilated seats come standard on higher trims, and the cabin lighting can be adjusted to suit your mood, glowing subtly under the dash and door panels. It's a 2+2 configuration, meaning the rear seats are more for kids or small cargo, but the front is all about comfort and driver engagement. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is fully electric and based on Volkswagen's MEB platform, which means it offers excellent balance and efficiency. The standard single-motor rear-wheel drive version delivers about 250 horsepower and can do 0 to 60 in around 6.5 seconds. But if you want more excitement, the dual-motor all-wheel drive version pushes out over 320 horsepower and cuts that 0 to 60 time down to just under 5 seconds. Instant torque and a low center of gravity make this coupe surprisingly fun to drive, whether you're weaving through city streets or cruising down the highway. The battery options are expected to include a 58 kWh pack and a larger 77 kWh option, offering up to 320 miles of range on a full charge. Fast charging capability is standard, with 10 to 80% recharge possible in about 25 minutes using a high-speed DC charger. Regenerative braking and multiple drive modes, Eco, Comfort, and Sport, give drivers control over efficiency and responsiveness. It's not a track car, but the suspension is tight, and the handling feels composed and connected. Price-wise, Volkswagen is aiming to keep this car within reach of premium EV buyers. The base model should start around $42,000, with the dual-motor fully loaded version topping out near $56,000. Considering the design, performance, and historical significance, it feels like a fair deal for something this unique. It's not trying to be a mass-market vehicle. It's built for those who want character, nostalgia, and modern tech in one cohesive package. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is more than a tribute. It's a modern interpretation of driving pleasure, wrapped in one of the most iconic designs ever produced by Volkswagen. It doesn't scream for attention, but it gets it anyway, with elegance, confidence, and electric precision. For drivers who love history but crave innovation, this car might be the perfect blend. Thanks for joining us on Gearstorm. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the vehicles shaping the future of the road.